Yep, Monday morning, you guys have arrived, lunch boxes in hand. That's how the season's gonna go, I guess, huh? Hello, I'm Clay from a frog stream in Long Valley, New Jersey. See if I can point. That's Esteban and that's Gabriel. And we're here to bring you this week's Weekly Ribbit. We're trying to get our season up to speed, getting ourselves ready to go out and do clean outs, get people's ponds started, get their water fountains started, get their pondless waterfalls started. The weather here has held us back. This morning, we had a meeting. And a question we get asked all the time is, how much is it going to cost me to have my pond cleaned or my water feature started up for the season? A question we can certainly give you a good range. But let me start with, we have two different kinds of services we offer. Esteban, what's one of the services we offer?
Practices, man.
We are practicing. So, as Esteban said, our Platinum Spring service, we completely drain the pond, we power wash the pond, and get everything ready for the spring. That's our top of the line service. Does your pond look like my pond? My pond's pretty dark because I dyed it, but you can see all this algae's growing. Maybe we can see my fish in there, I'm not sure. You can see them in there through this dye. Ah, look at that, you can see them. See those little red marks? They're not really red fish. Because of the dye, they look like it. If your pond looks like this, the Platinum Spring Cleaning is the one for you. So if you have up to an 80 square foot pond, the full pond clean out, our Platinum Spring service, starts at $775. If you have a pond up to 300 square feet, that service starts at $1,350 for a full pond cleaning. Gabriel, what's our second spring service that we offer?
The Gold Spring Service is our second spring service. We perform the same service as the Platinum Spring Service, except we don't drain the pond and clean it.
Our Gold Spring service, we perform all the same services, we just don't drain and clean the pond. This is really for those people who don't really want their pond fully drained and cleaned, or if you don't think that it really needs it. This spring service for ponds up to 300 square feet starts at $575. Our Gold Spring service for fountains and pondless waterfalls. This service for these two is really, we come out, we check your entire system, we get the pondless waterfall up and running, or fountain, and we will lightly clean the fountain out and the pondless waterfall so it's ready for the spring. That starts at $495. We hope we've helped answer the question as to how much is it going to cost me to have my pond or water feature service for the spring. If you have any other questions, please let us know. And don't forget, if this is your pond, make sure you click the link below that says I saw my pond to get your free AFD apparel. And if you have any questions, please make sure you click the link below that says Weekly Ribbit question submission. Submit your questions and you too can be featured on the Weekly Ribbit. Have a great weekend. Oh, Gabriel's getting it, don't worry. I know these were rough numbers, and it just kind of gives you an idea of what it might cost for you to have this done. If you'd like a quote, please let us know, send some pictures over, we can get you an actual quote as to what it might cost. Or if you want a better idea of what these services include, there is a link below that you can click that'll bring you to our spring services page, and it'll give you a better description of what we do for each service. And if you click the link, you can also get a better idea of what the price might be. Have a great day.